Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box unboxing. I realized that my box is like breaking, so hopefully my products are okay in here. So if you're not familiar with BOXYCHARM Premium, it's a $35 a month beauty subscription box that I always look forward to and I always love. I also get both Ipsy subscriptions and I am subscribed to the BOXYCHARM base box and I upgrade to BOXYLUXE, which this month is a BOXYLUXE box and I'm so excited to get it. So I'll be doing all of my unboxings on my YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on those. And another thing that if you're not familiar with me and my channel, you wouldn't know, that I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup I get in my beauty subscription boxes this month. So that's why I'm not swatching and reviewing them right now, because those are going to be coming up very soon on my channel. And of course, if there's any products that you're extra interested in me trying out first, just let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and see what I got in this box. Here's how it looks. Even though the box is breaking, I think my products seem like they're intact. I've got my product information here because BOXYCHARM always sends full-size products, so I can add up the total retail value that this $35 box gives me. So first, ooh, I see something I'm very excited about. This is from the brand Lorac. Luxe Diamond Eye Gloss Trio in Sunrise. So there are 3 beautiful colored sparkly liquid eyeshadows, it looks like. This is very exciting. I love trying out products like this. So the Lorac Luxe Diamond Eye Gloss Trio retails for $23, which I was kind of expecting it to cost more than that. That kind of seems like a good deal for 3 of these. Next, I've got, from the brand Hey Honey. I find a lot of products from the brand Hey Honey from Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, pretty much all skincare. But this here is the Trick and Treat Lip Balm. Berry Balm with natural tint. Oh my gosh, this sounds like a product that I will love. I love lip balms, but even more when they are a little bit like more special than a classic lip balm. Like this having a tint and being in this squeezy tube formula is really intriguing to me. Yay! That is going to be great for my dry lips that are getting even more dry as the cold weather is coming. The Hey Honey Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with natural tint retails for $23 also. Next, let's go for this product here from the brand Herbivore, which I don't think I'm familiar with. I'm like, sounds familiar, but I don't think I've tried any products from this brand, at least not yet. I might have some in my skincare stash. But this is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. When it comes to skincare, the product that I'm probably least excited to get is a mask because I am way too stocked up in masks. Even though I know that I should be using them more often, it's just really hard for me to keep up with how many masks I have, but this looks really nice. Let's see what the benefits are. It's a truly natural mask that gently deep cleans pores with fruit enzymes, white willow bark, aloe, and moisturizing blue tansy essential oil for skin that feels energized and refreshed. It sounds awesome. Let's see. The Herbivore Botanicals Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask retails for $48. So this is some high-end skincare. I will definitely try this out eventually. So I am happy to have it, but of course it's not the most exciting product that I could get personally. Next up, I recognize this right away, Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. I think I already have this. I probably got it in Ipsy because I get a lot of Complex Culture in Ipsy. Yeah. I'll be honest with you, I already have this and I have never used it. So I don't really feel too excited to get this either. It says, relax, you got this. Our sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin. I mean, that sounds amazing. It sounds like something I would love to incorporate into my life, and I could, but it just sounds so time consuming. It's like, oh gosh. Same with the masks. Like, these are great self-care products, but it's just, if I'm being honest, kind of unrealistic that I would use these all that often. And it's like hard for me to remember to use these as well. And then next, ooh, a product from Tarte. I love Tarte. And this is the Tansy Glotion Skin Perfector. See, now this is a product that I am so excited to get. A glotion that is just so me, my taste. What I love in my skincare and my makeup is glowy skin. And this is the Skin Perfector, and from one of my favorite brands. This one I'm so excited to see. Oh, and I forgot to let you know the retail value on the Complex Culture. The Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager retails for $58. Very expensive. And the Tansy Glotion Skin Perfector retails for $32. Oh, I'm very excited about that one. And I also have here, ooh, a palette. I am always so happy to get a palette. Ooh, and this is from Beauty Bakerie. I love trying out Beauty Bakerie products, and I've really only tried out Beauty Bakerie, I think, through BOXYCHARM. So I'm really excited to get another product. This is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. And I was just talking about how I love glowing skin. So I love highlighter. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. This looks beautiful, and these are huge. I love all of the colors in here because like the brown and the orange highlighting, I'm sure will be beautiful on the eyes if I'm not wearing them like on my cheeks. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait to try this one out as well. So wow, I got some really great makeup products and some expensive skincare. So this is actually a pretty awesome premium box, and I think this is going to have really high retail value. So the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette retails for $38. So I will do a quick recap, and I will let you know the total retail value that I only paid $35 for. So I've got the Tarte Glotion, the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager, the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Lip Balm, the Herbivore Blue Tansy Mask, and the Lorac Luxe Diamond Eyeglass Trio. Woo-hoo! And that brings me to a total retail value of $222. I think that is amazing value. I can't believe I got all these products for $35. This is a great box. So I definitely want to know in the comments down below what you got in your September 2021 BOXYCHARM Premium Box. And I really like to know if you've tried out any of these products, what your thoughts are on them. So let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.